A music DJ mixer application is an Android tool designed for aspiring DJs and music enthusiasts to create, mix, and manipulate music tracks on their mobile devices. This app typically offers a range of features that allow users to blend different audio tracks seamlessly, apply effects, and create unique mixes. Key features often include multiple audio decks for simultaneous playback of tracks, an intuitive interface for controlling volume levels, pitch, and tempo, and a variety of built-in sound effects like echoes, reverb, and filters. Users can also usually access a library of music or import their own tracks, making it easy to experiment with different genres and styles. Additionally, some music DJ mixer apps may offer features such as looping, cue points, and recording options, enabling users to refine their mixes and share them with others. This application is ideal for both beginners looking to learn the basics of DJ mixing and seasoned DJs who want the convenience of mixing on the go. Overall, a music DJ mixer app provides an exciting platform for creativity and musical expression.